Aloo anday ka salan. Onion 2. Tomato 2. Chili 4. Garlic ginger. Water 1/4 cup. Grind and make a paste. Add paste in 1 cup oil in karahi. Cook till water dry. Salt 1 teaspoon, chili 1 teaspoon, haldi 1 teaspoon, coriander 1 teaspoon, kalonji 1/2 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon. Fry well. Potato in cube shape. Cook 5 minutes. Yogurt 1/2 cup. Cook till dry. Water 2 cup. Cover and cook 10 minutes in medium flame. Boil egg on other side. Potato is tender. Egg is boiled. Add white zira and coriander. Garnish with lemon and chili. Masala potato is ready. Delicious fragrance. Serve with boiled egg and fresh roti. Enjoy it. Try it and remember in prayer.